1978 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am for sale here at MGM Classic Cars. Beautiful refinish, restored about 8 years ago. On the exterior, they did a beautiful job on the car. And everything on this car just looks amazing. Beautiful set of BFGs with the snowflake wheels, as you can see. The paint is very, very nice. Definitely would take this car to any car show and be very proud of the finish of the vehicle. All the glass trim, weather stripping, in very, very good shape as well. Dual exhaust as how these Trans Ams came. Nice original, yes, all original interior. It's an automatic, okay? This is a Z code Trans Am, which is a 400 cubic inch. Power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. Inner outer door jambs are all in great condition, along with the interior, as you can see there. Okay, beautiful dash, just really nice. All the seat belts are intact as well. Let's walk over to the driver's side. I want you guys to check that out, and then we'll get into the under the engine compartments. Look at all the weather stripping, all replaced, brand new, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And again, folks, this is all original interior. Look at these door jambs. Nice and crisp, in and out. Factory welds on the door lips on the bottom. Real sharp. Okay, here we are on the inside here, guys, showing 66,837 miles. Tilt wheel. Very nice interior here. Again, all original. Radio tuned suspension, as you can see there. Tilt wheel. Starts right up. There's your tilts. Have it, folks. Trunk is super clean, underneath is clean. You guys can check out all those photos on my website. Again, my name is Thomas here at MGMClassicCars.com. If you need financing, we got great rates, super low payments, long-term financing. Go to my website, upper right-hand corner, click the finance tab. Also, if you need delivery, call me, text me your zip code. My number is, and I'll repeat it, 847-848-1850. Once again, that number is 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. Have a great day.